Today, we're learning the Too Hard for the Radio line dance created by me, all right? I'm gonna break this up into 4 easy sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. But before we get into section 1, thank you to these people for their special thank yous on YouTube. I really appreciate your support. It means so much. All right, let's get started with section 1. I'm gonna turn around here. My left is your left, and my right is your right, all right? So the first section here, you're gonna step with your right leg over your left. You're gonna step right, left, then you're gonna take your left leg to step over left, right. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you see me from the side, I just have this like little West Coast bounce. A, okay? So we're gonna do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, left, right. Then from here, I'm actually gonna take the same step but go backwards. Using my right leg first, I'm gonna go right, left, and then left, right. All right, let's do that one more time. So we said 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, back it up. 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do section 1 one more time straight through. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, back it up. 6, 7, 8. All right, now moving on to section number 2. This is where we're gonna have a little groove. So I'm gonna face you to show you the groove first before I turn around. The groove, I'm gonna be stepping towards my left leg. I'm gonna have my hands open. 1, close, 2, open, 3, close, 4. Then I'm gonna do a little shuffle here to go right, left, 6, 7, 8. So that little groove there has a little body roll. Ta, 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 boom, boom, ta, ta, ta. And that's just a little groove there. But even if you just wanna jam out on your own, and just groove on your own, you can do your own groove too, okay? So facing the back to connect it, what I'm doing here, when I go from 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8, I go towards the left leg that has all the weight on it. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, then I do my hop here, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah? All right, so one more time from the top. Let's connect section 1 and section 2 together. So from the top, we said 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect section 2 here. You go groove, 2, 3, 4, groove, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, good. So that's section 1, that's section 2. Moving on to section number 3. Now section number 3, I'm doing like, almost like a box step, but I'm putting my own little sauce into it. So from here, I finish 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna step with my right leg to go in front, step back with the left, and I'm gonna do a double step here, cha-cha step. Yes, yes, yes. So it's gonna go one more time. I take my right leg to go 1, back leg 2, then I go cha-cha step, right, left, right. I'm gonna do the same thing, but on the left leg. I'm gonna go left, right, cha-cha step to the left, ta, ta, ta. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time for good luck. 5, 6, 7, we said right, left, ta, 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 left, right, ta, ta, ta. All right, so this motion here, I'm gonna show you from the front. When I take that right leg and I go in front, I step back and then I travel to that side of the leg that started. So if I start with my right leg, right, left, cha-cha to the right, left, right, cha-cha to the left, cha-cha to the left, and then cha-cha to the right, okay? So let's add section 1, 2, and 3 all together. Here we go, from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go into the groove. 1, 2, 3, 4, ball change. 6, 7, 8. Then we go into our box step. Right, left, cha-cha step, left, right, cha-cha step. All right, now moving on to section number 4. So after we finish our cha-cha step with the left leg, ta, 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 I'm gonna take my right leg to step 1, 2. So I'm picking up that right leg to go right. As I step on the right, the left leg comes up. 1, 2. Then I go back towards my right. 3, and 4 to do a triple step there. Then I take my left leg to go 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's gonna help me face my new wall here, okay? So that's gonna be our transition right there. One more time. The water sounds amazing, by the way. So I'm gonna go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. All right? So connecting that one more time. So we finished from here. We went from our left, right, left, new step. Hum, ta, 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 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then we continue the dance. All right? So let's try to connect all the steps from the top all together nice and slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, section 1, 2, 3, 4, back it up, 6, 7, stop. Section 2, we groove. 1, 2, 3, 4, ball change. 6, 7, 8. Section 3, box step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Boom, and then you continue the steps, all right? Let's go straight through, no stopping. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Go groove. 2, 3, 4, ball change. 6, 7, 8. Box step. 2, 3, and 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Continue. 8, 8. Continue. 8, 8. Now groove. Ha, 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 and groove. Ha, ha. Box step. Go 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, ta, 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 and step. Boom. And step. Boom. Face the back. Hey, hey. All right. So that's going to be all 4 walls you do there. Right now, I feel like you got the dance. Now it's time to try with the music. Just click right over here and keep requesting those dances online, all right? Thank you guys for being here, and peace out until next time. Ooh, ah, ah, ha, ooh.